Okay, I'm going to try and show the double prestige method. You should already be in Universe. You will need a 50x earnings 10 minutes, a 1000x hatching 10 minutes, 500x soul 10 minutes, and two 50x active all boost 10 minutes. I've also noticed my earning level here is 900S. This starts working somewhere between 300S and 600S for earning bonus, because you need to be able to have the farm value to do the quick jump. So here we go. Just go down the line. And then get the chickens running. This first part, it's about 3.5 minutes, where you're essentially just doing the chicken running. You have the 100x all and the 1000x hatching to make your habs start filling quickly. It's about 3 billion, or I'm sorry, yeah, 3 billion per minute. So it takes just about 3.5 minutes of the 10-minute time that your boosts are running. You want to do your taps and releases on your running because you want your 540x max. The idea behind this is you use the front end period of your boost where you get maximum gain of soul eggs. A lot of times if you use a full 10-minute boost, the first few minutes are good and then it starts tailing off. And the last half of your boost is almost wasted because you get so little out of it. So the concept behind this is you do one full boost, you quick build back up to Universe and do pretty much a whole nother full boost, depending on how good you are at building your farms. Yeah, already up to 6 billion. The whole building farm phase gets to be a little manic, and one of the things that frustrates me is the tapping two items to build and they finish out, and it kind of spasms the interface, so you have to kind of quick scroll back. I've tried to learn how to minimize having that happen by figuring out a pattern on multi-finger presses when building out your farm. I'll try and explain it as I go when I get to that phase. But I have to concentrate as well. So you don't do any of the advertisements. You can open boxes, you can tap drones. They're fine. They don't really help very much, but I'm kind of a fanatic at tapping drones. Okay, we're starting to get close to 11 billion. Try and time it out so that you're high up. I used to try and drain out completely, but you lose a few seconds of the next one. So get prestige ready. I usually kind of tap it over right when it tops out. Then you go to edible egg. Do an insta to graviton. At a lower earning bonuses. You actually get to the one before Graviton, but you do end up at Dilithium. This works best if you can get to Prodigy. I think that happens around 500S. Because then you can one farm build in Prodigy and go straight back to Universe, as you'll see. Tap on Henhouse. Just build one, do a double press. This one you kind of have to offset press or it spasms. Get your single at the bottom. Double press, triple press with a double press, and this one walks. There's the spasm. Walks up. Double press, triple press. Now when you get into tier 6, you don't need to do all of them. So you just do the ones that help you progress. 3-finger press, 3-finger press, and you only need to get the egg value 10%. 3-finger press, and you're waiting for the light orange coloring on the egg. I didn't press enough of them. There we go. Right to there, boom. You instantly switch to Universe. And we do another quick farm build. Get some chickens running. If you get lucky and you can get a drone right away to get the first guy, I do 2 max hen houses, so that you don't have to come back into that interface as quick. Now you do the same thing, double press, double press, double press offset, triple press, double press, triple press, double tap, triple press, double press, triple press, and now it you just gotta keep walking this as best you can. Trying to do a triple press on this one because of the really long machine learning incubators, and then I try and get some of the other stuff done while you're at the same time. Of course, now I'm messing it up. That's right, running chickens takes a long time, and then at this point I try and start actually running some chickens to get some of the multiplier going. It's not as critical quite yet, so if you don't keep it up or don't start it quite this early, that's fine. There's a spam. Okay, get down to where you just have the very long 1%ers going. You try and keep triple tap the cars up, and I keep tapping the chicken run because this is when it starts really helping. Just want to get the green line significantly down so that you can come back to finish out your matter reconfiguration, and you have to keep doing your on tap, off tap of your chicken run button while you do this. At this point you have plenty of hab space, and I kind of just make sure I didn't miss anything. You have plenty of hab space and plenty of vehicle shipping, so now it's pretty much a matter of just kind of finishing this out. Tapping your run chicken button and releasing it. Oh, hey, nice drone. And then you come back down into vehicles. Get 3 of these. Tap, 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 tap. And then I'm pretty sure you can actually get away with just where it says 11 and 12, but I do 12, or 11 of 13, 17, but I do 12 of. And at this point, you're completely built out. Continue to tap, and I just make one last check through to make sure that you didn't miss anything, and keep the chickens running until it runs out. So I just have another, let's see, should be about 2 minutes left. Oh, minute 30. So that's 4.5 billion. That's get me right to 11 billion. So that's about when it should finish out. So I'll get 2 complete prestiges. Some of the other methods have you, like, you can do the same method before you can single quick farm build, but then a lot of the recommendation is to pre-build out 4 of the 10-minute 1000x to get up to about 3.5 billion chickens, to kind of short run the first of the 2 prestiges, because you need that time to build the middle farm, so that you have to go through 2 quick farm builds instead of 1 quick farm build in between before you get to universe. But I found that if you can do just the one quick farm build in between, you can just run from scratch with 1 set of prestige. It takes it to 10 minutes to do the double prestige, plus about, 2.5 minutes or so, 3 minutes to build up back to universe. So you're talking about a 13-minute per cycle rather than 23 minutes per cycle. And there we finish out. We're going to be at almost 11 billion chickens. So I didn't quite max this time. A couple of spasms. Here's our prestige, another 53Q. So both of them will be in that same range. Profit. Thanks for watching.